Hi guys, I thought I'd do a quick video that shows you both perimeter and area for rectangles. Now I'm finding a lot of boys are confused about what the formulas are for perimeter and for area. So hopefully after this video it will be a little bit clearer. Okay, so on the board here I've got the two formulas written. So let's explain those first. And this is just for rectangles as a shape. So P for perimeter equals length plus width, okay, and then the result of that addition times by 2 or doubled, okay. So perimeter equals length plus width times 2. Now I know some of you are thinking, oh, I can actually add up all of the sides. Okay, you can definitely do that so long as you know that the opposite sides are equal, so it would be 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 7. But to be honest, that takes a little bit longer. So we'd really like you to try to be confident using this formula, okay? Now, moving on to area. Area is slightly different. So perimeter, we're finding the distance around the outside of the shape. And area, we're finding the space occupied inside the 2D shape. And to do that, you just need to times the length times the width. So the length multiplied by the width. Really important that you know both those formulas and what they mean, okay? And you can use them confidently and not get them confused. So let's start with finding the perimeter of this rectangle. So I've got my formula written down, P equals L plus W, length plus width, times by 2. So in this case we've got P equals 8 times plus 7 times 2, okay, 8 plus 7 is 15, okay, and I still need to double it, and I would have 30 centimeters, okay. If I've got some space, hopefully I can do the area down here. Alright, so area in this case is 8 times 7, okay, 8 times 7 is 56, and area is a 2D measurement, so 2 dimensions, so we have the little 2 above the end of the unit of measurement. That signifies it's squared. So 56 centimeters squared. Okay? So perimeter, 30 centimeters for this shape. Area, 56 centimeters squared. Alright, I'll do another example for you. Okay, second example. I'll just go over that. It's not super bright. My pen was fading. So we've got a length of 9 millimeters and a width of 3 millimeters. Okay, so just to recap, our perimeter, length plus width multiplied by 2 or doubled. So in this rectangle we've got 9 plus 3, okay, times by 2. 9 plus 3 is 12, and I still have to double it, so I have 24 millimeters in this case. Okay, and the area, length times width, okay, so 9 times 3, 27 millimeters squared, because it's an area measurement. Okay, so making sure that you know those formulas really well, and if you have a situation in an exam where you need to use these formulas, or you know that you're being tested on area and perimeter, my best advice is when you get that paper, the first thing you do is to write down these formulas. So later, when you get to those questions, you're not trying to remember it in the heat of the moment. You know you've already recorded it and written it down. All right, good luck.